Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have successfully built our card, integrated payments and generated invoices. Now it's time to give our users a central place to manage their investment. In this video, I will show you how to design and build a responsive purchase history page using HTML, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. A purchase history page is essential for any professional e-commerce platform. It allows your student to track their learning journey, view past transaction details, and re-download their invoices whenever they need them. We are going to build a clean, modern dashboard that looks amazing on both mobile and desktop. This is our buyer dashboard. The design starts with a clear navigation system to keep the user oriented. We use a tab system where the active page purchase history is highlighted with the bold blue underline. This provides immediate visual feedback to the user about where they are in the Skillshop ecosystem. Notice the search bar at the top. Even on the history page, we keep the search accessible so users can quickly jump back to finding new skills without hitting the back button. Before showing the product, we display the administrative details of the transaction. We use a light gray bar to display the date, total amount and order ID. Using capitalized gray labels makes the actual data pop, making it very easy for the user to scan their record. The View Full Invoice button is placed on the far right. This is secondary action, so we keep it clean and borderless to avoid distracting from the main course content. Architecture. This is the heart of the history page, designed for quick recognition. We use high-quality thumbnails with rounded corners. Human process images 60,000 times faster than text, so these thumbnails help the user find a specific course in milliseconds. The course title uses a large bold font. Below it, the instructor's name is in a smaller, lighter gray font. Finally, the price is highlighted in Skillshop blue, creating a clear path for the eye to follow. A great dashboard encourages the user to stay engaged with the platform. Notice the two different status. If a user has already reviewed a course, they see a soft green feedback submitted badge. This gives them a sense of completion. If they have not reviewed it yet, we show a high contrast give feedback button. The nudge is essential for gathering social proof and rating for your instructors. Each order is wrapped in its own container with a subtle border and generous padding. This card design is much more mobile friendly than a traditional flat table. By using a very light gray background for the page and white for the cards, we create a layered look that adds depth and professionalism to the interface. This is our buyer-dashboard.php file. We start by checking the URL tab if the user is on purchase history. We trigger our first database search. We query the invoice table using the $use ID from our session. This ensures that a student only sees their own private purchase records. By adding order by date DESC, we make sure the user's most recent learning investment appear right at the top of the list. Nested loop architecture. This is a pro-level coding technique to handle orders within orders. The first while loop generates a container for every unique transaction, date and order ID. It builds the header bar that shows the total amount paid. Inside each transaction, we run a second query to find every individual skill or course bought on that specific date. This allows us to list multiple courses under one single invoice header. We have added a clear bit of logic to track user engagement. Inside our inner query, we use a subquery to check if a record already exists in the feedback table for that specific product and user. If the feedback ID is found, our code automatically hides the Give Feedback button and replaces it with the green success badge. This prevents double posting and keeps the dashboard clean. Never leave your users starting at a blank screen, the else block. If the database returns 0 invoices, we trigger a high quality empty state UI. Instead of an empty page, the user sees a friendly message and a Start Shopping button that redirects them back to the marketplace. And that is the backend logic that powers our Skillshop purchase history. We have used nested loop and smart subqueries to build a dashboard that is both powerful and easy to navigate. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.